This is the video about sounds. There are actions that work with the sounds. The first action is talk. A1 is a sound file. Add 1000 to the sound file number if you want it to read only. That means it'll read in the sound, but it won't play it. Again, if the sound is long, it may take a while for it to load it into memory. So you may want to say talk 1001, and then later on say talk 1 when you know it has been read in. Under talk, you could also tell it to play the sound over and over again. That's continuous play, by adding 2000 to the sound number. So you would say talk 2001, and it will continuously play it. Well, now if you're continuously playing it, there may be a time when you do want it to stop. Here is the action mute. Mute sound file number in A1. So this says mute file 1. So if you do a continuous play, you might want to eventually mute. Now we're going to go down to the brown box that says sounds and click on the word sounds. Here are the sounds. You notice they all have a number. They also start with a letter. The letter A stands for an activity. B stands for bell. C for construction. D for drum. E for explosion. F for futuristic. G for gun. L for liquid. M for motor. N for noise. P for people. T for tones. And W for weather. Let's play some of the sounds. Another sound. Another sound. And another sound. I'll play that twice. Alright, there are many sounds, lots of bells. I don't know. Bells. Well, that's the end of the sounds video.